Hey there everyone, this is Steve Thompson. I'm a personal injury attorney in South Florida, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about what I call are the three pillars necessary in order to have a personal injury case. First and foremost, you need liability, okay? Although you may have been hurt, it really can't have been, although it can be a portion of your own fault, we do need to be able to pin the negligence on somebody else. So that's what we call liability, is somebody else being at fault for the injuries that you have sustained in the accident. Secondly, are damages. All right. Now your damages are usually physical. They're usually in the form of medical treatment and medical bills. But although somebody may have been egregiously at fault, maybe even purposely hurt you, or something so obvious that the liability is 100% on the other person, if you don't sustain damages, then you don't really have a case. So I use the example of somebody sitting in a sidewalk and you walking by and them sticking out their foot and tripping you, and you fall and you fall down on the concrete and you skin your knee, and we have it on video, and the person laughs and they point at you, and it's egregious. It's an egregious act, and you fell down, and the liability is 100% on that other person. Well, if you don't really sustain damages from it, you don't have much of a case. If you just skin your knee, you don't even bother going to urgent care or the hospital. That's the second pillar that we talk about, damages. Okay. And lastly, we need somebody to foot the bill. Somebody to that ultimately is going to be responsible for paying a settlement or that will pay a judgment from a jury, and that normally is going to be an insurance company, either an auto insurance company or an insurance company for a premises such as a shopping center, or in the event, and this is pretty unlikely, but or pretty unusual I should say, but in the event that there is no insurance company, somebody with assets or a high income individual. The thing is that usually high income individuals or high income businesses, they usually do have insurance policies, so usually that does not come into play, but that is an option if there is no insurance company to provide coverage. So if you don't have all three of those pillars, liability, damages, and somebody to foot the bill, then likely you do not have a personal injury case that we're going to be able to get a successful outcome on. So if you have any questions regarding any of those three, don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-510-3366.